Hello. In this video, I'll give a general overview of the media models available on Imbutus. In future videos, I'll go through each case in detail and show you how to work with them. For now, let's cover what's common to all media models. Each of these elements is a bundle. A bundle can contain several models, but it's usually built around one main model. Every bundle includes pre-configured, ready-to-use ComfyUI workflows with all the necessary nodes. I'll go into more detail on this later. The Sulfur 2 bundle is based on the Sulfur 2 model, an uncensored version of LTX 2.3. Here you can generate video from a prompt, images, audio, or even provide a video as the source using LTX Director 2. Each bundle has several launch options. The cheaper ones come first, slower and with a possible loss of quality. For example, FP8 here is a compressed version of the model. It may lose a bit of quality, but needs half as much VRAM. Next is BF16, the original model. And the last option is for maximum generation speed if you don't want to wait. Next is Scale 2, a bundle with the model of the same name for character replacement. Say you have a video of a person walking, doing something, talking, and you want to replace them with someone else. You provide a photo of the new character, and it replaces the person in the video based on that image. Here, too, there's a cheaper option and a more powerful one that generates faster. Next come the image generation bundles. Images are the foundation for video, since video is mostly generated from images. Flux.2 Klein includes the model of the same name with the true V3 fine-tune. Inside are ComfyUI workflows for prompt-based editing with up to 10 input images, and for the so-called RefControl. It preserves shape while changing appearance. We'll cover that in detail in a future video. Plus a standard text-to-image workflow. Even though this model is less resource demanding than the others, its results are even better than those of more resource-heavy models. Qwen Image and Qwen Image Edit are the classics: prompt-based generation and image editing. Editing accepts up to 3 reference images. Next, Ideogram 4. This model is really only needed when you have an exact idea of where elements should be placed on the canvas. It also renders text accurately. In other words, it's indispensable for creating ad banners. There's also Boogu Image and Krea 2. All image models have had their text encoders replaced with decensored versions and accept any prompt. That leaves the voice bundles. These bundles are mainly used for voice conversion from a sample, generating speech from text using a voice sample, as well as creating a subtitle file from an audio recording, and the reverse, generating speech from subtitles while keeping it aligned to the timeline. To demonstrate how the bundles work, I'll launch Flux.2 Klein. They run on a dedicated GPU instance. The whole device is yours, the only limit is time, and you only pay for the rental. The bundle has loaded. If you click this button, the ComfyUI interface will open in a new window. The login is always Imbutus. The password is always new and random. In the Workflows menu, each bundle has a folder with that same name containing preset workflows for working with this bundle. This folder is always overwritten on load and returns to its original state. If you want to edit and save your workflow for future use, create a new workflow and copy the elements into it. A saved workflow will load with every new session of this bundle. All workflows share a common format. Every workflow has a node like this one with a short description of how to use it. Nodes that are required to fill in are marked red, and ones that are critical for it to work are marked yellow. I think that's about everything. In upcoming videos, I'll go through each workflow individually and show how to work with it. To stop the GPU, so billing stops, you can press this button. There's also a monitor menu where you can see all the running services that are currently being billed. That's all for now. Good luck. Goodbye.